am tackling my boys' toy situation. I've been getting fed up with how disorganized things are getting, and toys have been strewn from upstairs and downstairs, and we kind of just pile things in a big basket downstairs, and I'm just tired of it. So I'm gonna attempt to kind of gather all the toys together and decide what needs to be kept and what I need to put away, and also maybe kind of reorganize things a little bit. And I don't know about you guys, but kids' toys can really add up sometimes, especially the little things they pick up here and there, and I'm gonna try and keep being more intentional about what we bring in, but yeah, somehow they just accumulate things. Also, the other thing, I want to set up a little craft station. I bought a cart from IKEA, one of those 3-tiered rolling carts. They're getting into a lot of more like coloring and markers, drawing, and I thought I could do like put their Play-Doh stuff in there, and then we could just hide it away when we're not using it and yet be able to bring it out when we do use it. So I'm gonna put that thing together and show you guys how I kind of organize that and see how that all works out. So let's jump into the rest. So I've gathered pretty much all the toys I can find in the house, except for books, and the train table is in the boys' bedroom, and like the tracks and stuff, but I decided to leave that over there. But otherwise, I've gathered pretty much all the toys. I've got some baby toys here that I'm just going to include in everything, and I need to find a way to kind of reorganize everything and probably purge a couple things. But I'm going to try and just organize by category, I think, and kind of see what I can come up with, because it's not really working too well. Here is Paw Patrol stuff, and this is like animals and barn, etc. Then here we have just like cars and trucks and airplanes and, you know, things that are kind of alike. And I've got some car tracks, some guns, I don't know. I'm not sure yet how I'll group everything, but it's actually not too bad now that I have it all sorted. Here are a lot of their trains and stuff. This is mostly, okay, now I have a couple of random things, but it's like little people things, and they are not really playing with that anymore. So I think, although they would argue with me on that, but I'm gonna try and hide this away and just stick it away for, you know, if we have future smaller children or whatever. Basically what I'm working with is this thing right here. Then downstairs I have one that's 4-compartment one, also from IKEA, and I have some of those bins up here, and then also I have the big toy basket over there, which I'm not sure I'm gonna use. And then I also have this extra cart that I've had for years and years and years, and I wasn't really using it, so I'm thinking of putting like the food stuff in here and maybe some other things. So that's kind of what I'm working with. Alright, so this is the progress of the playroom area. Now this kind of changes a lot. Normally I'd have like our train table out here, but it's actually in the boys' bedroom right now. And all their train stuff is with that pretty much. And as far as toys in here, the only thing we have then is the rest of their trains, which are down here. Sorry it's so dark. The trains are down there, and then I just have some books up here. And then back to out here, this is the little white thing that I was showing you. I'm gonna stick this in the closet, which they already discovered, but this is like extra trucks and stuff I'm gonna keep put away for a while, and then some random cows and guns and things that they had gotten for a birthday that I'm just gonna stick away. And then their food stuff is in the bottom drawer. So then the rest of the bins, this is like car stuff, miscellaneous I guess, and there's nothing really in those two. In here we have animals, and in here are more like the baby books and stuff, like for smaller toddlers and things. And then in this container I have like the magnets, and then here just some other little tchotchkes, I guess you could say. And the bottom one is like cars and trucks, airplanes, you name it. I just put that in there. Here I've got some balls, and could be subject to change. This goes with the barn, but and then some more books down there and the little bus. So then I just have their barn, and their basketball hoop and the Paw Patrol thing right here. So this is the only other place we have toys. I used to have a bunch of toys in that basket, if you remember right, but I actually managed to empty it, and so I'm pretty happy about that. We'll see if we can leave it like that. That'll be to be determined, but it's been going on for about close to a week, and it's working so far. And here we have books. That is the same, and this stayed the same. It's their Legos. And then here I have like their Paw Patrol stuff, all like the different vehicles and critters and whatever. And then I also have their bag of some of their Hot Wheels cars and etc. So that is pretty much all we have downstairs at the moment. Okay, so this is the cart that I got. It's the black one. They have several colors, but it has 3 different ones, and I purposely put the middle one a little bit further up in case I want to put like a basket on the bottom. I'm not sure yet how we're gonna do it, but the boys are really exuberant in helping me. So we gotta figure out like a system and how we want to organize it a little bit. This is what it's looking like right now. I've got a bin of Play-Doh stuff and a couple other random things in this basket for now, and some of their coloring books and some cards. And then this shelf is pretty much just coloring books and also like preschool type things. And beside the books, I've got a bag of these, I don't know what you call them, but my friend Beth gave them to me for the boys, and they're really cool. So I'll try and see if I can link them. Let me see what they're called. That's the brand. I don't know if I'll be able to find them or not. I'm not really sure what to call them, but they're great for little hands. And then in the top shelf, I've got like the crayons, markers, dry erase markers, just the different types of craft stuff. And I think this is gonna be good because it can kind of grow with us. It's not full, which is good. And if I want to change things out, I can, but it's just handy. I can just wheel it away, which I'm not sure yet where I'm gonna put, probably in a closet or something. But I am pretty excited about that. It was only like $25, so it's really inexpensive. And putting the craft table together, I was able to empty this one. So now I have an empty bin for my shelf. So I think that pretty much covers it. I don't know if this was a helpful video or not, but I hope so. And I'm glad to have things kind of reorganized, and I hope it gives you guys some motivation to just do it. It really didn't take that long to just kind of go through the toys and everything. Just was a matter of kind of putting them all together and quickly sorting them. So hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!